Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eporeka. Guys, thank you so much for all your support. Today we'll be making circle dress. I'm going to use this fabric. It's 2.5 years of African print. So this fabric is folded into two. It's folded into two, so I'll fold it into two. See? Into two. Then I'll fold it again this way. So I need shoulder measurement, length of the dress and bust measurement. But because I'm going to add sleeve to it, I need sleeve length and round sleeve. So I'm going to use pattern for it. This is basic bodice pattern to bust line, because the measurement I need is from shoulder to my bust. So, but if you don't want to use the basic bodice, you mark your shoulder measurement here. Like the shoulder I'm working with is 15. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5 plus half inch seam allowance, because I'll join sleeve to it, is 8 inches. You look for where you get 8 inches. So this is 8 inches here. From here, you mark your shoulder measurement, 8 inches. Then sleeve neck width and neck depth. Then from the shoulder measurement, you come down by 9 inches. Your armhole. Then from the shoulder measurement, you take the length of the dress. So, but I'm not going to do it like that. I'm going to use this pattern. So this pattern is shoulder measurement, slant, neckline, 3.5 by 4 inches, and her bust measurement. So I'm going to pin the pattern on the fabric. So this side is the folded edge, this is the neckline, 3.5 by 4 inches. So, but if you like, the front and the back will be the same, but if you like, you can use any neckline of your choice. So this is the shoulder measurement and shoulder slant. But if you're making it as sleeveless, you don't need to use all your shoulder measurements. You minus 1 inch or half from your shoulder measurements. So this is the bust line and bust measurement. I'll add 1 inch for seam allowance, and on top here I'll have I'll mark half inch to join the shoulder. Okay, so the full length is 37, but what I have here is 37.5 from here, from the shoulder measurement here. 37.5. I will use half inch to hem the lower part. I will overlock it first. After that, I will now fold it once. 37.5. So I will take the measurement from up here. I'll check what I have there. I have 45 inches. I'll take the measurement from here. From here I'll get 45 inches, but from the shoulder I'll get 37.5, which is the length of the dress, but I prefer to take the measurement from here, but it's okay if you can take from here also. So from this seam allowance here, you will connect it to the length of the dress this way. To the length of the dress. So I've done it already. This is the length of the dress. So from this point I'll measure 8 inches for pockets. Between 8 to 9 inches, 8 or 9 inches for pocket. So I'll notch it before I'll separate it. This is for pockets. So now I'll separate the two. I'll remove the pattern because I used the back armhole to cut it. This is the back armhole, this one is the front armhole, so I'll remove the... So I'll take one out. One is for the front and one is for the back. This is the front one and this one is for the back one. So because the pattern I use is back armhole, I use back armhole to cut the pattern, to cut the dress. So now I want to trim the front armhole. If you want, you can trim this off, then place it on the fabric again to trim it off on the fabric, to trim the front armhole, or you just mark it on the fabric. So I just marked it on midpoint. You get the midpoint. I'm coming by 0.75, then you will connect it. So I'm going to trim the front armhole. So this is the front one. So what I'll do next is to cut the pocket. This is for the pocket. It's folded into 4. So I'll put my hand on it. Here I'll measure 7 inches for pocket. Some allowance. Some allowance also. So I'll put my hand. This is the seam allowance on this side. I'm cutting on the seam allowance. So this is the pocket. I have 4 pieces. 4 pieces. So I'm going to pin it on the dress. The neckline, I'm going to use bias to tidy up the neckline. But if you want, you can cut facing for the neckline. But I'll use bias. So this is the right side of the fabric, the dress, and this pocket, this is the right side of the pocket. I'll put it like this. This is the notch where the pocket will start. I'll pin it. I'll stitch the pocket to the dress, 1/2 inch. So on this side, I'll do the same. This is the right side of the dress. and this is the right side of the pocket. Right side, right side. This is the notch where the pocket will start. I'll put it like this. I'll pin it and go and stitch it also. I'll do the same. Let me pin it first. I'll do the same on this one. I'll do the same on the back one, the pocket. So I'll go and stitch the pocket. I'll fix pocket to the dress. After that, I top stitched on top, on the front side, on the right side, I top stitched. So I did the same on the other side and also on this side also. So what I'll do next is to join the shoulder and the side. So this is right side of the fabric and this is the right side, right side, right side. Put it together. This is the shoulder. I'll use a 1/2 inch to join the shoulder, and also this side 1/2 inch to join the shoulder on this side. Then after that, I have 1 inch for seam allowance on the side here. I'll mark 1 inch. I'll sew it on 1 inch seam allowance to this pocket side. Then I'll sew it this way and come back to this point. I will do the same on this side. I'll do the same on this side. I'll do it and show you. So this is the shoulder and the side. I've done it. So I also overlocked the lower part. So what I'll do is just to fold it this way and hem the lower part. I'll turn it. So what I'll do next is to fix the sleeve. This is basic sleeve. I used bias to tidy up the neckline. I also fixed one of the sleeve. So I want to show you how to fix this sleeve. This is the right side of the fabric and also the front side. This is the front armhole. This is the right side of the sleeve and the front armhole. You open the shoulder seam. The notch here will be on the shoulder. Will be on the shoulder. And you will turn it this way. You will pin it. On this side, the side seam, you will open the seam allowance, you will fold it in. The side seam here will align, the line will align. The seam allowance, you fold it in this way. And also the one on the sleeve. You will pin it also. Then you will go and fix the sleeve. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a thumb up. Thank you.